In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Bitwarden on Windows. Bitwarden is a secure open source password manager that helps you create, store, and autofill strong passwords across your devices. We'll keep things simple and make sure you download it from the official source so you stay safe. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows PC. In the search bar, type the word Bitwarden and press enter. You're using search here so you can quickly get to the official site without needing to remember the exact address. When the results appear, look for the result that reads something like Bitwarden Best Password Manager for Business, Enterprise with the domain bitwarden.com. That domain is important. It confirms you're going to the legitimate website and not a lookalike. Click that result to open the Bitwarden homepage. Once you're on the site, find the downloads link, typically located at the top of the page in the main navigation. The downloads page is designed to list every official Bitwarden app by platform, so this is the safest and most direct way to get the Windows version. On the downloads page, scroll until you see the Windows section. You'll see a Windows icon along with a download button for the desktop app. Click the Windows icon to start downloading the installer. Depending on the site's current layout, you may be offered a standard installer file or a compressed zip file. If you receive a regular installer, just let it finish downloading. If you get a zip, allow it to complete, then open your downloads folder, right-click the zip, and choose Extract All so you can access the installer inside. When the download finishes, open the installer from your browser's downloads bar or from your downloads folder. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, select Yes. Then follow the on-screen prompts. The default options are fine for most users, so you can accept the license, keep the suggested install location, and continue. The installer will copy the necessary files and set up Bitwarden on your computer. When installation completes, Bitwarden may launch automatically. If it doesn't, open your Start menu, search for Bitwarden, and run the desktop app. That's it for the download and installation. You've used the official Bitwarden website, navigated to the downloads page, selected the Windows app, handled the download, extracted a zip if necessary, and completed the installation using the standard Windows prompts. You're now ready to move on to using the app on your Windows PC.